Alright guys, now today is a better video on how to make a, not paper boomerang. I've been making 2 videos of those. Actually today I'm making a paper jet with yellow construction paper. Now mine's pretty thick. I'm going to make one, alright? It's going to be a nice paper jet. So once you have your paper like this, just keep it like that. And then fold the sides like you would in a regular paper airplane. Alright, just fold them like that. Make sure it's like that. And I also do have videos on how to, oh yeah, make a paper dog. I'm making one of those. Come up soon. These all are going to be published. So once you have this, take one of these and fold it. Alright, so take one and just like fold it like that. Alright, so make sure you kind of fold it like that. I don't know if you see. So like take the wing again and fold it like that. Just like how I said, do that. And sometimes you'll make it uneven. Once it looks like this, fold it again like this until it looks like that. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, sorry. Right here, take this and then fold it. Fold the wing down. Now you're just gonna fold this wing down. Once you fold the wing down, flip it over. Do the same with this one. And this will be nice, guys. Trust me, I actually made these. They go really far. And once you fold that, you're all done. Peace out.